not so early. I mean, it is early. It's crazy. But I slept in by accident. The wife didn't get me up. She just let me sleep. I was like, what? I woke up, looked at the watch. Oh my. Woo. So the massage today, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself and forgive others. Forgive yourself, forgive others. We got to keep it moving. Yesterday, oh my goodness. You know, I've been on the grind, getting my workouts in, getting my eating under control, even getting to bed early. Yesterday, I got thrown a change-up curveball, and it wrecked my plans. So it was a great lesson on how I got to get stronger. I'm getting stronger, but I ain't there yet. So my daughter wanted to go see a friend, and she's super COVID-y, super protected. You know, she wears her. They see each other and they stay 6 feet apart and they do all that stuff. Wear their masks. I said, okay. Now, she is a teenager. So, whatever they say, it'd be shaky. So, she wanted to go with friends, and she said that, you know, she get a ride home from her friend's parents. So, you know, now that I'm on my little program, you know, Allison gets up so early, I go to bed early too. I go to bed 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I drop her off. Sure enough, after 10, you get the call, hey, can you pick us up at 10:30? Pick me up at 10:30. All right now, it's past my bedtime. Because we got a new thing going on. So I go get her. On the way, you know, my food addicts, you know what up. On the way, the McDonald's sign, like, maybe I just grab, you know, it's kind of cool tonight. Maybe I just grab a coffee or something. Okay, first of all, I would have been in bed. Okay, I'm not eating past this time or drinking. Water is all you're doing at this time of night. So go by the McDonald's, there's a line. So that must have been Jesus. Jesus was like, go ahead. I see what you're doing. I'm not going to let it happen. Okay, it wasn't Jesus. It was a test. So I'm like, okay, great. Then I was proud of myself. Well, this is great. Didn't do McDonald's. Let me pick her up. And I'm not even hungry or thirsty. Get some water. Pick her up. On the way, I get a call. Next thing you know, I'm on this call. So, I mean, this call went for an hour and a half. What's up, Ross? Yeah, them apple pies, man. Call goes for an hour and a half. You know what happened next. Here we go to McDonald's, no line. I said I was gonna get a coffee. Nope. It was like a sex addict heading to a whorehouse. It was like a crackhead going to the trap house. I was like, may I help you? Yeah, let me get the 2 cheeseburger combo with a Diet Coke. Come on, son. What's wrong with you? What is wrong, Mark? What's wrong reinventing Mark Clark? It's late at night. You're done with your calories. You're gonna eat right before bed? What is wrong, man? People are dependent on you. Reinventing Mark Clark with his 1,105 followers is depending on your example. You're an ass. What are you doing? It wasn't enough. I smashed that bad, trashy, late night caloric, high fat, high carb, bad for your health, end up in the graveyard, McDonald's combo. It's a damn shame. So now I come home, and like I said, normally I'm in bed. I couldn't just go to sleep. I had to, like, you know what I mean? I had to do something. So, you know, I did like 15 minutes on the treadmill. So now it's damn near midnight. And I gotta get up at 2:30. Come on. End of the story. Bad decisions. You got to break habits. But after you do all that, after you've fallen down, we fall down. But what happens? But we get up another day. So overslept. So I wasn't able to get Allison ready for work. You know, I used to get her coffee, a little snacks. You know, missed my 3:45 time, and here we are. I say all that to say, shit happens. Reset today, Mark. Let it be a lesson. Refocus. You know what? That Disney movie with that damn song, Let It Go. There's a reason why it's so popular. We got to learn how to forgive ourselves. Let it go. Let it go. So I'm forgiving myself for making bad decisions last night, being a fat ass, and I'm refocused for today with aspirations to kill it today. Let's go, Mark. Don't backslide. What about you? Forgive yourself. That's the first part. Now, to forgive others. This Trump situation got me messed up. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm sick of as a Democrat, I'm sick of the bleeding heart, no balls having, turn the other cheek, kumbaya Democrats. I'm sick of it. But you know what? I gotta let it go. I gotta let it go. My Ross, praise God, new beginnings. Yep. Thank you, Ross. I gotta forgive myself. I'm gonna forgive these Republicans who stood by and watched one of the most diabolical presidents. Here's the thing. Now let's keep it real. People are like, oh, Trump was the worst president ever. Do you forget that the founding fathers and all the presidents up till, well, except Madison and up till Lincoln, were slave owners? Or not all of them necessarily, but the majority, most of them. So I don't know about the worst, but anyway, I think he hit a nerve. He danced on a nerve that has exposed America for what it really is. And I'm saying I'm going to forgive all those who participated in that damn destruction. I'm not going to forget, okay? I got to keep it real. Just because I forgive don't mean I'm like forgetting. My eyes are wide open. I get it. Call a spade a spade. But in order to move forward, we always have to forgive ourselves and forgive others. And I'm sorry, that sounded preachy like a mug, didn't it? Sorry. I'm just saying, in my opinion. Okay? I'm not no Reverend Mark Clark. All right? All right, so Ross, what you doing up this early? I don't know what you're doing, but be safe in whatever you're doing. Join my group. Share your stories as we get to this holiday season. It's our first goal, is to lose weight, maintain the holiday season, and then boom, 2021, we're going hard, right? Have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow, a little bit earlier, but same bat time, same bat station. Follow, like, share, all that. Peace.